Galaxy. Galaxy.
A galaxy is a huge group of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity.
Milky Way. Milky Way.
The Milky Way is a galaxy where our solar system is located, and it contains billions of stars.
Big Dipper. Big Dipper.
The Big Dipper is a group of stars that look like a ladle or a spoon in the sky and is part of the Ursa Major constellation. Where is
Galaxy. Galaxy.
What is this?
Milky Way. Black hole. Black hole.
A black hole is a place in space with extremely strong gravity that nothing can escape from.
Asteroid. Asteroid.
Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, and some can be found between Mars and Jupiter.
Comet. Comet.
Comets are icy objects that have a tail when they get close to the Sun.
Meteor. Meteor.
A meteor is a bright streak of light that we see when a small object burns up in Earth's atmosphere. What is this?
Comet.
Which one is?
Black hole. Black hole. Nebula. Nebula.
A nebula is a cloud of gas and dust in space, often where new stars are formed.
Supernova. Supernova.
A supernova is a powerful explosion that happens at the end of a star's life.
Spacecraft. Spacecraft.
A spacecraft is a vehicle that travels in space, like a rocket or a space shuttle. Which one is?
Asteroid. Asteroid.
What is this?
Nebula. Telescope. Telescope.
A telescope is a tool that helps us see distant objects in space, like stars and planets.
International Space Station. International Space Station.
The International Space Station is a research laboratory where astronauts live and work in space.
Satellite. Satellite.
A satellite is an object that orbits around a planet or a star, and some are used for communication or taking pictures.
Astronaut. Astronaut.
An astronaut is a person who travels and works in space, exploring and conducting experiments. Where is
Satellite. Satellite.
What is this?
Telescope. Solar system. Solar system.
The solar system includes the Sun, planets, and other objects that orbit around it.
Sun. Sun.
The Sun is a big, hot ball of gas that gives us light and heat.
Mercury. Mercury.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and is very hot on its surface. What is this?
Solar system.
Which one is?
Spacecraft. Spacecraft. Venus. Venus.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is known for its thick clouds and extreme heat.
Earth. Earth.
Earth is our home planet, where we live, and it has air, water, and life.
Moon. Moon.
The Moon is Earth's natural satellite and orbits around our planet.
Mars. Mars.
Mars is a red planet and scientists have sent rovers to explore its surface. Where is
Sun. Sun.
What is this?
Moon. Jupiter. Jupiter.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and has a big red spot on its surface.
Saturn. Saturn.
Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rocks that circle around the planet.
Uranus. Uranus.
Uranus is a cold and windy planet that spins on its side. What is this?
Mars.
Where is
Saturn. Saturn. Neptune. Neptune.
Neptune is a blue planet and is the farthest planet from the Sun.